Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakoros Moments, and on this video I'm going to show you how you can easily expand your Ethernet ports with this switch right here from D-Link. Let's start. So the model of this is the D-Link DGS1080D. It's an 8-port gigabit desktop switch and it allows you to easily expand and upgrade your network. In simple words, this device will expand your Ethernet ports. For example, you have all your Ethernet ports on your router already in use. So you put that switch and bam! Now you have 7 extra ports. Or you wanna extend your Ethernet to your room, right? So you bring a long Ethernet cable, you connect it to the router and expand it to the room. And now you have in the room 7 more Ethernet ports to connect many devices. As you see, I have my laptop and my Xbox in the room, and I definitely prefer to have wired internet as it's more stable, so these make everything perfect. The installation is super easy as there is no need to configure anything. It's all plug and play. So you just plug the power adapter, connect a Ethernet cable from the router to a port on the switch, and it's ready. No matter to which port you're gonna put the Ethernet cable, now the rest 7 ports will have internet and you can expand your network. You can plug 7 more computers or other devices like phone, laptops or cameras or anything that requires Ethernet cable. The switch is also using D-Link's green technology, providing energy saving, it reduces heat, and it's also automatically powered down ports that have no link, allowing the switch to save a substantial amount of power usage for unused ports or ports connected to devices that have been shut down. It also can prioritize network traffic so time-sensitive data can be delivered efficiently. Up to 1000 Mbps of dedicated bandwidth per port and up to 2000 Mbps of bandwidth in full duplex mode. Last, the device is small, durable and very stylish, and I love how a small device like this can be so useful to expand your network. If you find any value on this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I wish you a great rest of the day and you can watch my next video right here.